Okay, everybody, I'm very excited to show you how to transfer the data from the Honor 9X Pro to the Honor 50, and I hope it is as easy as it was from the Honor 9A to the Honor 9X Pro. When I did this, I used the app Phone Clone from Huawei, and I hope that it will work now as well. And therefore, I install the app Phone Clone here on my 9X Pro and choose this as the old phone. And yes, now you can see it searches for a QR code. So next step, I install the Phone Clone app, and I hope I can find it in the Play Store as well. And you see, there it is, Phone Clone app. And now okay. Sad but true, it doesn't work. As you can see, dies ist das alte Gerät, it's German phone. This is the old phone, and I cannot choose it's the new phone. So this is because of sure, this is a GMS, this is an HMS, and there is no connectivity. And this is by purpose, of course. And I don't like that they make it so hard to change the system. It's the same with iOS. It's the same with HMS and GMS as I see now. And now I have to transfer my data, all my contacts, all my pictures and my apps and my logins and all these stuff manually from the old phone to the new phone. And oh God, I don't want this. Come on, people. It feels like 2000 when I type all my contacts in my phone by hand. Okay. So this is the first big minus for me. Connectivity. It's, as I said, for sure, it's by purpose, but we as customer don't want this, and it makes us, for sure, it makes it hard to switch the system. But on the other hand, both Google and Huawei get a minus for this. That's not a topic from Honor. They just use the GMS, but it's a minus for Google and Huawei because they don't like each other and okay, do this fighting on our back as a customer, and I don't like it. So first minus, as I said, I hope this is the last one in my test of the Honor 50, because now we are getting in what the Honor 50 can do best, and I will test it in the next couple of days and weeks. I will do the camera, and I can tell you it comes with 17% battery, so I will charge it right now, and afterwards I will start my tests with the battery and all the other stuff, and I hope I come back with better news next time, and I hope as well that you will be there with me. And till then, bye bye. Okay, Ella, thank you. Bye bye. People, I maybe have a solution for my problem. This was the Honor support, and they told me there is maybe an app that should solve my problem. Its name is Device Clone, and this app I will test for you in my next video. So stay tuned until then. Bye.